Alright guys, this is Chuck with B4. I want to take time and introduce to you our B4 CoPilot. Alright, right here we're just going to lay out some supply and demand zones, get ready to set up for our trading session. Really simple to use. We're going to show you a nice demonstration here of how to use the system. Alright guys, let's go ahead and drill in here. You see that we have it set right now in trend mode. We're going to arm the CoPilot, and there we go. It's automatically picking up trend direction. You can see that in the background. And we're going to sit here and watch it. Now notice how it's filtering the chop right now. It's not getting in these areas. Let's watch it right now and let's let it do its thing. Also notice the trend lines that we have automatically drawn for you. Our system is really intuitive and really easy to use. Now we're going to use order flow, but we're going to use it in a different way. You're not going to see all of the complicated things that you're usually accustomed to seeing. You're seeing regular candlesticks here as they play out using the power of order flow. Okay, we're getting some bearish movement in here. Let's see what this is going to do. We're still with a bullish background. Let's see what CoPilot's going to do here. Alright, breaking that trend line right there. It still hasn't got us in. Let's see what it's going to do. It's waiting for the opportune time. We have it set for 3 stacked imbalances, and as soon as it finds that, it's going to automatically enter faster than you could ever enter yourself. It's really amazing to watch. Notice the wicks also in this area. So we have not entered right now. It's just not a good area. Let's wait and see what CoPilot, see what it does here. Still hasn't taken a short entry yet. There we go, and it's armed and it has entered you into a trade. Now notice how we have our supply and demand zones laid out. We got our profit targets set up. It's taking the first one. All right, taking them both, and we are up $675. Guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe.